How to automate tasks in Windows 11 using Power Automate. Hey everyone, welcome back to Windows Report. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can automate tasks in Windows 11 using Power Automate. So let's get started. First, you need to open and sign in to Power Automate. Just press the Windows key, type Power Automate, and select it from the search results. Once it opens, sign in with the email for your Microsoft account so you can access the app. After signing in, you can start recording a desktop flow. Click on the New Flow button, enter a name for your flow, and then press Create. Now select Desktop Recorder. A small recorder window will appear. Just hit the Record button and start performing the tasks you want to automate. Once you're done, click Finish. You'll see all the recorded steps appear in the main window, and you can even replay them by pressing the Play button. You can also automate browser tasks the same way. And that's it. Thanks for watching.